So this is your CA Koushik Mukhesh, and I am having a very big news for all of you. A newest member is going to get added into our team, and he is CA Zubair Khan sir, expert in the field of accountancy. We are bringing in into Kaushik's Paathashala with an intention to provide the best quality education on the CA Foundation accounts, CA Inter Advanced accounts, and CA Final Financial Reporting. So, with regard to Zubair Khan sir will be addressing all of us now. And before going into that, this is really a pleasure to have Zubair Khan sir into our team of Kaushik's Paathashala. It's a dream that is coming true because a genius of accountancy coming into the team is always a great thing to happen for any kind of educator. So today will be one of the happiest occasion that we are teaming up with one of the best faculties for accountancy throughout India and completely in English. Sir is going to take the classes exclusively for all the South India students as well at all the three levels, so foundation, inter, as well as at the final level. So it will be always good if the expert speak himself about what are the great things that he is going to do through our channel Kaushik's Paathashala to benefit all the South Indian students at large. Over to Zubair Khan sir. So
Thank you.
very good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir, and thank you so much, Kaushik, sir, for
Thank
giving
you,
me an
sir.
opportunity to
Thank you, sir.
teach at your platform that here. And just a brief introduction of myself, those who are listening me first time. My name is Zubair Khan. By profession, I am a chartered accountant. I became C in 2011, sir. And since then, I am this in teaching profession that. And my exclusively core area is accounting and CA Enter and the CA final level. I am to take the FR paper for that. Apart from the chartered accountancy, I've also done the diploma in IFRS from ACC in 2017. That,
Wow,
and
super.
to teach at inter in the final levels mainly. I also take the classes internationally as well for some the international corporates, the IFRS subject, International Financial Reporting Standard. So recently, I took this session how to implement the international financial reporting standard, their compliance for so many companies. One of the company that recently I have taken is the Louis Vuitton, which is a very big group, that LV group in
Oh,
Dubai.
great, great, sir. So you should listen that there is one most celebrated brand, Louis Vuitton, sir, has done some consultation for them as well. And he is into the practice into IFRS. So he will be
Correct.
giving the best knowledge for final students as well. So please,
Correct,
sir.
sir. Correct, sir. So our agenda, sir, that as we discussed the earlier also that year, to mainly the students are facing the problem that, sir, they have a huge syllabus at the inter and the final level, sir. So it is very difficult for them to do the revision specially, sir. It is easy to do the classes, sir. But what happened after that? The revision when it's come that there should be proper strategy at place so that they can do the entire revision properly, and they can easily, I believe that they can easily score the 80 plus in accounts, sir. It easily, but if they
Yes.
have the proper strategy, sir. What is the first thing that is going to require for them? So there's a concept is the most important. We cannot just solve few questions and few concepts. We have to go in depth, sir. In depth, we have to go. We have to do the understanding of each and every accounting thoroughly, and then we at the same time we should have a proper strategy as well, that here when they will go to the examination, before that they should be in a position to revise entire syllabus for them. So for them especially, I have one very unique book. I call it Rapid Gist book. It's a concept book. I will show you that the same book I'm to use it when we are to start free of cost. The marathon 100% will be in English, especially for the South Indian students, sir. So I will show them and how we're going to cover each and every accounting standard. The people are very much afraid for the these accounting 15. I said it is not at all a difficult, sir. Employee benefits, so many
Yes,
list of
yes.
that, like the
Because
Amal
so many
Commission.
students always tell about AS 15 and taxes on income 22.
Sir, we are
And
going to take.
most of the
Yes, sir.
times they will be preparing on a selective basis some standards which are very difficult they will leave, and even in between the standards they will only understand those concepts, or they prepare only those concepts which makes them feel comfortable. Sir, I will give one or two examples. They will be, when they are doing AS11 foreign exchange types, so they will be having the overall knowledge what is the standard and how it is going to get implemented. but that monetary account will be there, translation reserve account will be there, when to transfer that. So all these doubts will be there. And with regard to the taxes on income, one horrible standards always students tell me. And very, very importantly, the students are leaving one standard called as AS15 employee benefits. So we have to first come up with those standards only. So that's
Sure,
my
sure.
request.
In fact, sir, I believe that here account is the easiest subject. Trust me, sir. It is the easiest subject if you have a proper concept and strategy, sir. So I will show you, sir. The student can also see that. I will share in your screen, sir. The revision notes are the concept note book that I have prepared specially. I will
Okay,
show
sir.
that, sir. At the
Okay, sir.
same time, what we are going to do that here at the top 100 AS question I am to cover in that revision series that we are
Yes,
to
sir.
take on your
So
YouTube channel, sir.
before going into this, sir, let us make all the students extremely clear about what great services that we are going to provide free of
Correct.
cost on the YouTube channel for the
Sure.
JAN examinations
Correct.
exclusively. Okay, sir.
Exclude.
So one on
Yes.
one point, let us come, sir. First, with regard to Inter, what you are going to do?
Correct, sir. For the inter student, those who are appearing in January 26. So for them, sir, the two things. First, I'm just talking about the accounting standards only, sir. So we are coming with the marathon series for individually for each and every accounting, sir. It is not like in a one video there will be all the accounting. No, for all the accounting, separate video is going to come, sir. And in each
Okay.
accounting standard, I will discuss 100% all the concepts, sir. And at the same time, we are going to cover the super question that is important, generally those they ask in the examinations, sir. Okay,
Okay.
so that is a strategy for the accounting standard, and in that I am not going to skip any accounting standard. We are going to cover all the accounting standard and with all the concept at the same time. In same video we are going to cover this important accounting standard question for that particular accounting, so one by one we'll go. And after these series, sir, we
So,
are going
sir,
to.
sorry to interrupt, sir. Sorry to
Yes,
interrupt,
sir.
sir. So, with regard to the standards, means how many standards are applied for CA Inter level?
Total 29 accounting standard. Out of that, two are abolished. So 27 effective we have, sir. But in
27. So
yes,
yes, yes, sir, please continue, sir. What you are saying?
sir, I'm saying, but out of 27, there are three accounting standard which mainly come under the full-fledged chapter because 14 marks question come
Yes, yes, yes. Amalgamation, consolidation, most
consolidation, sir.
precisely.
Mostly as a cash flow, sir. So I,
Okay.
even though these are the accounting standard, but I keep it as a separate part because these are the lengthy
Okay.
chapters, sir.
So,
Okay.
all the students, you should understand what sir wanted to convey is there are totally 29 standards. Out of the two are ineffective. So, because there are 27 chapters. In the 27 chapters, three are dedicatedly, he will be covering as a separate chapters itself, which
Correct,
will
sir.
come for around 40 marks in exam. As sir said, it's cash flow statement, amalgamation, and consolidation. So, I requested also, sir, that we have to bring videos on amalgamation 8 hours. In 8 hours, sir will be covering entire amalgamation. You will be
Yes.
seeing his notes now. You will be amazed by seeing that notes. The best accounting notes that you are going to see, we will be revealing that very soon. And with regard to 24 standards, which are standalone accounting standards, which are not chapter based. So those, what sir is saying that 24 accounting standards, we will create a playlist. In that playlist, you will find all the 24 standards for the examination point of view. Please
Correct,
do
sir.
not take it as a regular class. This is not a regular. Sir, regular class will be extremely elaborated. So he is going to guide all the students writing for the JAN exams in the 2 months time without spending even a penny. Free of cost, you are going to get the best benefit out of the expert on the accounting standards. So 24 standalone accounting standards plus three dedicated chapters, cash flow, amalgamation, and consolidation. Sir is going to give the videos. I think I am conveying in
Correct,
the right way,
correct,
sir.
correct, correct,
Uh,
sir. Correct, sir. That, yeah.
yes, sir.
Especially, sir, what happened in examination? Um, 14 marks for amalgamation and 14 marks for consolidation. Sure, 28 marks paper will is going to come from these two chapters, sir. So what I have planned, sir, for these two chapter, I'm full-fledged 7 or 8 hours video is going to come separately for amalgamation consolidation, sir. Okay, so for the accounting standard, separate videos will come, and for the other chapter, like the financial statement of company, buyback, amalgamation, internal reconstruction, consolidation, branch. Okay, for all these chapters, separate videos will come, and it is not like the
Okay.
1 hour in depth we are going to discuss along with the questions, sir. So
Okay.
our strategy is, sir, accounting standard at the same time, sir, the other chapter as well, sir. after these series for the January 26, I'm saying I'm to come with RTP and mock test paper, sir. So we'll discuss the RTP and mock test paper, and before the examination also, free of cost, sir, I'm to prepare a 100-mark paper for them. And that paper I will discuss here on the YouTube channel, sir. So the same paper I will discuss. So they will come to know that we are doing the basically doing the mistakes and what are the areas where they can do the improvement, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Done, sir. So we now covered two things. One, how we are going to move on with the marathons and how we are going to proceed to with the other chapters.
Correct.
So all the students, you should understand that entire 100 marks accountancy paper, we are going to cover in the 35 hours. Simply to tell, sir will be covering each and every accounting standard as required for the examinations. Nothing more required, nothing less. What is required? If a standard require 1 hour, he will spend 1 hour. If a standard can be completed in 25-30 minutes, he will be completing in 25-30 minutes. We don't waste even a single minute of time, and we don't do injustice to any one of the standards. So you can mark my words, because I know about sir. So he'll be covering each and every point in detail. So all the standards and all the separate chapters, each and everything you will be getting free of cost for the Jan 26 exams. Yes, sir.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir. So let me show them, sir, the notes that we
now this is the time to reveal his notes. There is one notes what sir has prepared. It's called as a rapid gist, which will be covering summary of the entire accountancy in just 200 pages. You will be amazed by seeing that. So sir will be revealing that. Sir, please.
Sure, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Now it is visible. So okay, students, you can see that.
Yes, sir. So as you can see that here, the name of the book, this is a Rapid Gist book, sir. And yes, here in these books, sir, you can see that it's a main book. So many things is that here. Even this book is available for the sale as well, sir. There's a revision tracker in that, sir. So mainly those who join the EO batch or the regular batch, they do the proper revision tracker that here that I provided. Okay. But what is more important, sir, that is for each chapter, sir, starting they will see the roadmap. For example, sir, this is chapter number 1. There's a financial statement of companies, sir. So in first page of every chapter, they are going to see what I'm to cover in that chapter. So you can see that here, I'm going to cover here that the first part is, you can see that about the balance sheet format schedule 3, P&L account, what are the notes to account we are going to prepare in the balance sheet, what notes to account is going to come in P&L account, like all the topics that we are going to cover in that particular chapter. Okay. Now, what happens now from the next page, the chapter will start. As you can see that it is chapter number 1. So they are not going to write any concept in class. They just have to listen me, which is more important, sir. So in class, they have to just listen me. And this is the material that I'm going to use it. So I will come to accounting standard part also.
So this is for the marathon also they can use, right, sir?
Yes, they can use it, sir.
So okay, book will be available for their for them to purchase, right, sir?
Yes, sir. This book will be available for purchase.
We will be making it available on my website, kmrclasses.com.
Yes.
At affordable prices, we are going to provide a gold-like book like this, so which you never see before. So this book will be prepared with a lot of hard work, and sir will show you how much hard work has went into it. So at affordable prices, I requested sir, and sir has immediately said yes for that. So you can see how the book has come. So you can start showing the chapter, sir.
So let me show you, sir. For example, if I talk about the first very simple accounting standard, let's say the accounting standard 1, sir. So what happens, sir? These are the 7 points that I'm to cover in the accounting standard. For example, these are roadmaps. Sir, you can see that it just in 2 pages, sir. You can see that here just in 2 pages, sir. We have covered the entire accounting standard on disclosure of account. And I'm telling you, without compromising a single concept, each and everything is covered in this, along with the chart, how to write that here. And you know what is more important, sir, that before the examination, where the student finds problems, sir, that what to revise them. So I have a proper strategy. For example, sir, this is the Rapid Gist, the concept book I have. You can see that on screen, sir.
Yes, sir.
And before the examination, they can refer the YouTube, your YouTube channel. They can find my videos there. Okay. Yes. Now what happens, sir, in the every accounting standard, the 4 category I divide. For example, practical questions, case scenario questions, theory question, focus point. Certain time what happens, sir, in any chapter, not just in accounting standard. If I say, sir, for example, there is a chapter called the consolidated financial statement, sir. So what happens in a consolidated financial statement? So in these chapter, what happens? There's so many balance sheet, profit and loss account, uniform. So what happened? I will tell them these types, which question you have to refer before the examination, because they don't have
Okay.
time, sir, before the examination to go through the each and
Yes.
every chapter. So I tell
Yes.
them in the class these number of the question. I tell them question number, and then they write it down there, and they have to do that for the balance sheet question, penal example, uniform accounting policy, and the miscellaneous one. Answer here, the focus point means there's certain time. For example, the same type of question institute asked twice, but in both of the
Yes.
question, 99% they are same, sir. Only a
Okay.
slightly one point might be different, sir. So I tell them in the focus point, no need to do the practice once again. I tell them in these question only point number, for example, A, you have to read it. And this is the unique point in that. No need to waste the time there, sir. So my strategy is that, sir, I tell them what kind of question you have to solve before the examination.
Okay.
So for the practice purpose. So this is the
Yes.
book that I use it for, and you can see that all the accounting standards, sir, that we are going to cover, sir, here. And here in these book, all the examples of the IC study material also have covered. And you can see that all the tables that here, this is the
Yes.
accounting
Yes.
standard number 5th, sir. So in every, like that here, so every accounting standard, now people are afraid, sir, that here, when it's come to the, just 1 minute it will take, sir. People are afraid when it's come to the accounting standard, the 2015 and the 22, sir. Let me show you
Yes.
that, sir. When it's come to the accounting standard 22, sir, we are going to solve it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Just give me a 1 minute, sir. Yes. Leases and all these, sir, these are the people find it difficult. These are the account, all the proper table, how to solve that steps, all is going to cover there. So they don't have
Perfect.
to worry, sir, with examples and all that, sir. So here they know that, sir, for how to, I'm going to say, cover the steps also, each and every point we have covered. For example, these AS22, sir. So properly strategies there, sir. You can find the tables, sir, that people find it, for example, where it is deferred tax liability, where it deferred tax, each and everything is given, sir, there. Along with
Okay.
the journal entry, each and everything I will discuss with them, sir. So at the
So you
same
can
time, sir.
see how beautifully the book has come. So this lot of efforts, we can see that there are tons of efforts of a person has to go inside and try to understand. In the institute study material, there are two modules for that, which sums up to somewhere around 800, 900 pages, almost nearing 1,000. Whatever is required for the examinations, sir has kept that in 200 pages in this rapid gist book. So this will be your brahmastra before going for the examination. So if you have this one, this will be equal to 1,000 kinds of revisions that you can do. So
Correct, sir.
with all his expertise, with all his analysis of the past papers, this book has come into existence. And sir, my genuine question to you, because this will be definitely there in the mind of the student, I will prepare this material, I will listen to your marathon, I will prepare from this material, I will take this book, I will buy this book, I will read completely, I will analyze, I will listen to your marathons, and I will go for Jan exam. Will it ensure me with 50 marks in exam or not? I have only 1.5 month time. Genuinely,
100%,
you
sir.
can answer, sir.
Genuinely, let me tell you why, sir. What happens, sir? These book, for example, let's say the consolidation, sir. Consolidation, amalgamation itself, these two chapter covers, sir, 28 marks, sir. That the people find consolidation difficult, sir. In consolidation, sir, you will find it in my book, sir. That here, step by step, what should be the note stock on number 1, 2, 3 with proper reference. That here, what should be the note stock on 1, 2, 3, how to prepare the table, proper working note reference, and all that. These I'm to
Oh,
cover in depth, especially these chapters, sir. And I'm to cover the question as well, which is important from the examination point of view. Definitely, sir, they are going to score more than 50 marks easily, even they just attend our marathon and these revision series, sir.
oh, super, super.
So
So
one more
students,
thing.
you have to take the best out of it. Okay. Ah, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
So just last thing that here, you can see that on screen that is super 100 exam relevant AS question that I have prepared, sir.
Yes,
So
yes, yes,
here
yes.
what happened here in these books are like that. You can see the, for example, introduction and applicability of accounting standard. So this is the question that here. An answer is given, sir, but a quick revision highlight section is there, sir. So what is going to
Okay.
happen? Whatever is the crux, main final result of that question, the student can write it down here, sir. So what
Oh,
happened?
super.
I will cover 100 questions, sir, on only on the accounting standard, and the remaining there are more questions on the amalgamation, the different chapters, sir. So what
Okay.
happened? I will solve these questions, sir. I'm going to cover this question. Final output, whatever is that, we are going to write it down there here. So what
Okay.
happened? Before the examination, suppose they have a paper. In just 2 hours, they can go through these all these 100 questions, and they just have to read the question. They just have to see the answer here. So in every
Okay.
question, sir, there is a column is given there to write their comment there.
So
So
this
these
will be
questions.
the super 100 questions, right, sir?
Yes, sir. And it is a, we will share with them the PDF, and that is
Okay, sir.
free of cost. We'll
So,
share with them, sir.
sir will be joining our Telegram group. So there he will be sharing all his questions, the super 100 questions, everything. So this PDF, sir, will be sharing to all of you. While doing the marathon, once the marathons are completed, again, sir will be coming up with this super 100 exam relevant questions, such that you will be exam ready. Sir, I think I'm saying it right way, right, sir?
Yes, sir. At the
Marathon,
same,
and this is different.
no, sir. What I have planned, sir, for the students, sir, what we can do, sir, in a marathon, sir, it's basically for the remaining chapter, like the amalgamation consolidation, sir. This is
Okay.
exclusively on the specific accounting standard point of view, sir. So
Oh,
I
okay,
will
okay.
cover the concept from here, sir. For example, that here, if
Okay.
I say I am going
From
to
this book,
start.
you will be covering the concepts, and from there, you are going to cover the
Yes,
practical portions.
yes. This is a concept, and this is the question. Then I will cover like
Oh,
that, sir.
super, super. So, whenever the standard is completed, you are going to solve the questions from this book.
Same time. So both will complete at the same time, sir.
Then super. Yes. So, finally, sir, your association with us, it will be really a privilege for all of us. And one word from your side as well. So you are going to address thousands of South Indian students. So these students are really genius. They will listen to you. They will understand things. So what is your expectation from all the students and your association with us as well?
First of all, thank you so much, Kaushik sir, for giving me an
Thank
opportunity.
you, sir. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir, to teach this wonderful student of South India, sir. And trust me, sir, that here they are going to enjoy it so much because it's not like their journey. It's like me and they both we are going to fight together for their success. Their success is my success, sir. That here. So we are going to work so hard, sir, and they will understand each and every concept properly, sir. And definitely, sir, they are going to. You are saying 50 plus. I'm expecting they have to score. All of them should get the exemption, sir. 60 plus
Yes,
in account, all of them should get, sir, and they can do that here. And we will work together, and they are going to enjoy it along with each and every concept properly, sir.
super, super, sir. So a final word of conclusion from your side, sir, before we close the session.
Yes, sir. My suggestion is that those who are watching this video, share this video with all of your CA inter friends, inter and final friends. Share with all of them, sir. And because this series is going to be beneficial for each and every student, sir. Each and every student South Indian, they are going to enjoy it, sir. That year. So those student, though share with all your WhatsApp group or the Telegram channel you have there. You have a friend for CA inter, sir. Share with them so they can also get the benefit of these revision series. Thank you so much, sir.
Sure, sure. So all the students, as it's a point of a request from both of us. So share these videos as that when we are going to do a lot of benefit to the students, when student won't get the benefit, there is no point of doing all this. So in order to get a whole benefit of this great attempt from Zubair Khan sir, so we should appreciate and we need to share with all the students as that a sure success is guaranteed for the JAN exams. And very importantly, I am coming up with my law marathon FM, as well as with regard to the DT marathon, IDT with other faculties. We are going to bring a bunch of playlists for you for the JAN examinations to make a sure success in the coming examination. So thank you very much, Zubair Khan sir. We will be really, it's a privilege having you into our team. So such a great expertise coming into the team is always a privilege for Kaushik's Paathashala. And we welcome Zubair Khan sir one more time into the club of CA Koushik Paathashala, and to all the South Indian students as well. This is really a great thing to happen. So all the very best, and we will be meeting you soon through the marathons. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.